and this solder. Okay, we're gonna solder and this solder parts in this board. First, we turn on our soldering iron, and we put our water on our sponge with our sponge. Okay. Do that. Now I'm going to set up my parts. My resistors. Alright. You have to forgive my breathing ain't right. What I need now is overnet box. I need my ICs. See the ICs. Got another one. Wire cutters. This is for our resistors. It's a resistor bender. There. Show you everything. Wire strippers. I don't need them, but what I want, I don't see. This is solder sucker. This is our solder, and this one is it's 1 pound solder. So this one is it's our little solder, and this one over here is a bigger one. This is a 60/40. Now, prep my resistors. This is my board. Set my board up and my frame. It's better. So this way it's down so you can see too, okay? Then take my resistor, bend my resistor so it would fit in my board. They all don't have to be the same size either, but I'm going to put them the same size. I know we had some integrated circuits up here. I don't know where they're at. Can you stop that for a second? Alright. After I got my resistors in, so now I want to like bend them a little. You don't bend them too far, but just a little. Okay, now I'm going to put my integrated circuits in. This is an integrated circuit. And those are the legs. And where your little thing here at, that's your plus side. So sometimes if they're not bent just right, you can always take it and put it on the table, bend just a little. I think I'm going to put that right there. This is the second one. me bend that in just a little bit also. Put that down here. Okay. Now, I'll put 2 of my little caps in. But these are not caps. I usually call them little pots. I'm gonna get 2 of them in. And they go in just like that. Flip your board. Just do it barely. Do it like that so it holds. Put your other one in. Do the identical thing. Am I talking loud enough?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, let's solder. Oops. Yeah, I got me by the glass that time. See? Okay, this is what I do now. Before I solder, make sure it's clean, my tip is clean. And I'm gonna tin my tip. And now we're ready. Take the solder, lay your tip against the lead and the board. And this is the way you solder. Only take a few seconds. Okay. And go right to your next one. Let it warm up. Come away. And make sure it's against the lead. And if you see where you got cold solder or anything, just go back, hold it a few minutes, and there you go.
The camera's having a hard time focusing.
Or you, and then you have, put it up against that. You could tell when it gets heated up because it'll change, the color change. Just a couple seconds. On your integrated circuit, you do one leg to hold it in from each side, and then you start them in. And the way I do, I crisscross so I don't get too much heat on one side. And it only take a few seconds. And you can always skip a couple, go further down. Okay. Okay. Always good to clean your iron as you go. Makes distributing the heat better. Oops, that's stuck under there. I have another integrated circuit here. You can push it up. I'll go right on to the next one. I'm gonna leave that one for sure. You always make sure that your solder is nice and shiny and you got a good coverage. You always check behind yourself, make sure you don't have no cold solder, no short circuits. Everything is the way it should be. And a good solder joint would always look like a little kissy with a little point on top. Okay, the one I got at the top there, I kept that one. If you look right here on this side, you see where it's not completely soldered. It's right there. It's not completely soldered. So what I'm gonna do, use that one as my one that I desolder. You take this here and go like this, and you desolder it, so it's completely no solders left on it, and then I resolder it. Same as when you first started. Put it against the lead, let the solder flow, and once you do that, I don't have my brush. Take your cleaning brush. Oh, where's my alcohol? Ah. Take your alcohol. First thing you're gonna do is cut your leaves. Cut your leaves. Tilt it just a little bit because you don't want to go completely down on your leaf. You want to leave a point, a little point. So you kind of like turn it a little bit, like that. Okay. Now you take your alcohol and brush and you clean your board. That's to get rid of all the flux. Then, if you do that, you check your board to make sure you don't have no shorts, and to make sure that everything is soldered the way it's supposed to be soldered. And that's the end of our presentation. That's your board.